Hi, my diabetic friends. How are you today? We've got a snowstorm coming in Wisconsin later on tonight, so I'm going to stick around in the house, do some sewing on my Kenmore sewing machine, talk about low-carb snacks. So this is kind of a wonky necklace I made out of some fleece donuts, fabric that I cut out with donuts on it, and put beads on it, attached it. Can also be used as a belt. And I see my needle is not threaded, so this needle threader it goes in the opposite direction of the newer sewing machine, so I do need my glasses. Alright, let's see if I can get this through there. This little gadget here. Nope, make it wet. Alright, here we go. Come on. Alright. Hopefully this works. This tension is a bit tight. Alright, now let's see. Just going around in a circle around the edge. This is a very fluffy fabric. I am probably going to have a lot of lint collecting, and I'll have to clean out my bobbin case. And I notice that it's kind of stretchy. So I hope I can mix this all in here without having a big bunch at the end. So just do a little bit at a time. Oh, here I've got a bump. It's another bump. Bumpity bump bump. Okay, I'm going to have a little left at the end. Squeeze that in there. Alright. If you want to, you can do the middle circle too, but I'm not going to, because it's not necessary. Fleece does not unravel, neither does felt. So you can put little sprinkle beads on here, or circular beads, or whatever you have in your stash. I'm just using up my stash. And again, these are just beads that I sewed on, and then in the middle I put an oblong wooden bead, and then I just attached the top of one to the bottom of another, and then made it into a circle or oblong necklace or belt if you put a belt loop on it. So today let's talk about low-carb snacks. I made up a list of some things that are compliant and also taste good. How about some string cheese? Celery stuffed with cream cheese. Cucumber boats filled with tuna salad. Green olives, black olives, perhaps stuffed with cheese. Half an avocado. Beef jerky, turkey jerky, cured without sugar. Deviled egg. Lettuce leaf wrapped around grated cheddar cheese, or some lunch meat that's compliant. Sliced ham, watch out, the processed ham has sugar in it lots of times, so check for the ingredients. And you can make that into a roll-up, put some cream cheese in the middle, roll it up. 2 slices of tomato topped with basil and grated mozzarella. Put that under the broiler for a minute. Natural Smucker's peanut butter or almond butter. Only ingredient is the butter and salt. Almond butter has less carbs than peanuts do. Pecans are okay. Walnuts are okay. Trying to think of the higher carb. Celery. Here we go with the nuts again. Cashews are higher carbs. Avoid processed meats and watch out for sauces with added ingredients. Tuna fish, or basically any kind of fish that has not been breaded. Recently I found herring in a can at the Dollar Tree, and I think it was just in water, and they were pretty good. I put them on cucumber slices. 1 or 2 squares of the dark chocolate. The Lindt, L-I-N-D-T-S, has the dark chocolate, unsweetened of course. Pork rinds, we use those instead of chips. You can make up your own dip, spinach dip with sour cream or just sour cream. Pepperoni, you can put those in the microwave and a couple minutes until they get dried up, and those are like pepperoni chips. So if you have any other suggestions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, that's it for today. Next time we'll be doing some more, probably reading an article or two that I found that shows the advantages of a low-carb lifestyle. Even if you're not diabetic, it's a good way of eating because it's very healthy and they use clean whole foods. Alright, have a good week. See you next time. Bye-bye.